So when we bought our house, I noticed that the bathroom ventilation fans are ducted directly to the soffit. They are going right into the attic and dumping out all the moisture and humidity from when we're taking a shower. So I did some research and I found the This Old House YouTube channel, and it gave me instructions on how to properly install a bathroom ventilation fan ducting, and I'll attach that link in the comments. After I removed the old ductwork, I then looked for a spot in the roof where I can run the new exhaust that will go through the roof. Once I figured out where I want the vent to go through, I hammered a nail. And I'll put one more through for the second vent. Once on the roof, I can see where the nail is poked through the shingles, and I can hammer that back through and then drill a hole with my hole saw. Before drilling the hole with the hole saw, I put the vent hood over where my nail hole was and made any final adjustment on where I need to drill. On the next step, you need to pry up on the shingles so you can get the vent hood underneath. This is where I really started to struggle. It turns out my roof is older, and this was the fall, so temperatures were a little bit cooler, so the tar was not very pliable, and really struggled with getting the shingles up without ripping them. This is the part where you need to cut some of the shingles in order to get the vent hood underneath of them and to fit properly. Next, I used caulking to seal around the duct. I caulked underneath the duct and also under the shingles. Next, I nailed it down, one nail on either side. Inside the attic, I connected the insulated duct hose to the roof and back down to the bathroom exhaust fan. Both vents are now complete. Good amount of flow air. Same thing. It works.